Hey gang, Jim Spellos here, and welcome to day 8 of the 12 days of way cool Google Tech Tools, and this one is really amazing. This is a programmable search engine through Google. Now, why would you need to do that? Well, perhaps you want to put a really good search engine to search your own site so people who visit your website can find things much more quickly. Or maybe you want to lump together a couple of your favorite sites and be able to search them all at once without having to use multiple operators like we've looked at. This is how you do it. We're going to go to a website right now that is programmablesearchengine.google.com. Now, where you see we're at right now is in my page, but I've done this before. You're going to see a big blue button at the top right corner that's going to say Get Started. That's where you'll, get started. Now, what I'm going to do here to get to the same page you're getting to is just hitting this Add button, and it's going to allow us to create a new search engine. Right, so we got to do a couple of things. Number one, we're going to give it a name, and I'll call it Day 8 Way Cool Google Tools. How's that? Nice and uninspiring, right? Okay, cool. Now, what to search? Search specific sites or pages, so enter a site. Maybe you wanted to search, I don't know, my page, www.meeting, gotta spell it right, -u.com, gotta remember there's a dash in there, and I can hit add, and then maybe my friend's site, Corbin, www.corbinball.com, and click add there, and I don't know what else might want. Let's just go with those two, okay? But you can go do as many as you want, and you see as you enter them, they will appear down here. Now you have a couple of search settings that you need to create, or you have the choice to create, whether you want it to be an image search, and we might actually take care of that and discuss that later on this week, or a safe search, which means it is going to be very, very safe for minors, people under 18, to be able to not get unintended results coming back. Not that Corbin or I would have that, but you know what I mean. So that's it. You're not a robot. You got to click there. Cool. And then you hit create. And now what it's going to bring you to is your page. It says your new search engine has been created. It gives you the script box that you then just need to copy and put in your website. Regardless if you're using WordPress or Wix or Squarespace, you can just copy and paste that right there. And then you have the ability to have it on your web page. Now, if you want to check out how it works, I'll hit the preview button right here. And it's very uninspiring in terms of the look. It just gives that little box that's up there, and it says enhanced by Google, and maybe I'll call this, maybe I'll say augmented reality. I'm not even sure it's going to come up. I should have checked that out before, but I didn't. So we click on that. Now the first few things that will come up will be ads, so we got to get by that. But here we go. Actually, mainly Corbin's site, which I figured as much, but he has some great articles there. So now we can search whatever we want in any way that we want. So once you've done that, on the top left of the page, you can go back to any and all of the search engines that you have, and you'll see there are my Day 8 Way Cool Google Tools, and we have created an incredibly powerful search engine that you can place anywhere that accepts any sort of HTML code. How about that for an amazing Way Cool Google productivity tool on Day 8? Hope you're enjoying these. As I've said every time that I write this, want to sponsor this? Come on, let me know, or certainly I would love to come to your organization to be able to give you some way cool productivity tools and ideas that can supercharge your organization. So hope you're doing well, hope you're enjoying the holidays, and we'll be back again tomorrow for some more of the way cool tools.